This is the story of my recent trip to Croatia, summer of 2020. As the Corona-19 pandemic erupted and closed all activities in Europe as well as in the world, I was forced to stay in Croatia. I was able to cruise around most of the islands in the South Adriatic Sea for the 2020 season with little company of other yachts. There were some owners of sailing yachts like myself, but very few charter boats. The following screen shows the map of the sailing area and the itinerary. Hope you'll enjoy my videos and perhaps learn something about the beauty of the country of Croatia. My name is Nav and I am the skipper and owner of the sailing yacht Margarit. Here I am sailing out of the Split Harbor in Croatia in 2020. This is August 9, 2020. We are here at Margarit, sailing towards from Vela Luka. We depart at around 11 a.m. and right now it's about 12:30 or something like that. And we are doing exceptionally good. The boat is going here. Jay is going to inform you. Jay, please.
5.2 knots.
5.2 knots.
This is nautical knots, guys. This is super speed.
Super speed. You can see it right here, right there. 5.19 knots right there, guys. And this is the speed is perfect, like about 12.5 knots of wind. And then we are doing like about whatever is the depth. But anyway, we are doing perfectly fine. I'm going to show you the display of the sails. We have the full Genoa out. The full Genoa out is flying. And the mainsail is also full, going out. We have a perfect wind. We always wish to have wind a little bit to the west, to the right hand side, to the west, so we can get more into Hvar. But nevertheless, if we get a little bit closer to Hvar, we're just going to drop the sails and just motor inside the town of Hvar. But the idea is that the conditions are wonderful. The boat is, what can I say, doing perfect. I'm going to show you here the wake is just doing perfectly fine here. There. Unfortunately, I don't have the underwater camera. And yes, guys, I'm going to get the drone. Promise to get the drone. Not now, but in my next visit to Croatia, I'm going to buy a drone, and I'm going to get also the one that goes underwater, so we can actually film under the water how the boat is doing. She's doing perfectly fine. Yeah, it's a wonderful boat, meant to do this. She was built to do this kind of thing. I'll show you the wake behind us. It's doing fine. Yeah, the wake is doing perfect. And I have to say that here my crew member Jay, the first officer. Actually, we're only we're only two people.
We're two people, and both together are half of the sailor guy, right? So the captain.
Yes, the captain. But the boat is doing perfectly fine. There on the in the horizon, you can see that's Korčula.
Yeah,
that's Korčula, and that over there is the Hvar, and probably that one over there is Vis. Somewhere it needs to be somewhere. I think it's over there. That's Vis. And that's about it. Once we get around Hvar, the next island is if you like this video,
subscribe to the channel.
subscribe to the channels, and yeah, we are going to continue with our incredible odyssey, because this is Sun Odyssey 36I. So we have to give a name, a good thing, Sun Odyssey 36I. Okay, bye guys. I forgot about something. I wanted to show you the wake on the back of the boat. It's just so nice. Yeah, it's just the beautiful the wake behind us. I would say like a perfect condition of sailing. You know, there is a big ship in the back over there, but you can tell here. You know. Just fine. All right. So that's all. The great inside all looks fine. There is some fruits there that Jay bought. I think I'm going to have one of these guys there too. Yeah. And just about the feeling of it, the boat is going a little bit on the side. I think based on this stuff, it's about 15 degrees, if you can see it. It's 15 degrees the inclination, which is perfect. I mean, it's just like the perfect sailing conditions. The boat is doing beautiful. That was she was meant to do, you know, going into 15%. And there she is in her full glory. What can I say? Full glory. You can see the island part there. Cabin. Actually, I am inside the cabin here, and there is this beautiful yacht just passing us by, and it shows there in the entrance. There is another one over there, but this one here is really nice. I think they are going to set the Jeep or something. They changed destination somewhere, and there are a few other ones over there that they are passing by. Yeah. Okay. GPS. You can see right there the number of locations that you can anchor. Hvar is in this in that corner over there. Hvar is right there in this corner, but the island that is in front of it, these Pakleni Islands, it has so many locations that you actually can anchor, drop your anchor, and spend the night. And you can see it here. don't know if it's possible, but I'm going to go outside. You can actually see it from here. The let me see. Maybe from here we can see it. The anchorage is right there. I'm going to go outside and take a pic from the outside. And the boat is going, let me see, 5.3 knots by 5.5 knots. It's doing very well. So she's going straight to the and you can see there the different, yeah, you see there is a different anchorage, and people, they are just coming by and dropping the anchor because the islands are very well protected. But I think it's better the other side of the Pakleni Islands. And our destination is right there. You can see the buildings. The Hvar is right there. We are going to go a little bit further up, and then we're going to go into the Hvar channel properly. This is the Pakleni Canal, basically what we are in. So as soon as we turn around, we go a little bit further up. We are going to drop the sails, start the engine, and start looking for some buoyant or some we'll catch some buoy out there, and we'll see. So that's the situation so far. Yeah, so this is actually the promenade. This is where all the sailboats are located, and that's the citadel that I went up to on top of there in the mountain. And this is the citadel. This is all the boats around here, and our wonderful boat is right there, and she is right there. So tomorrow we are thinking going to Vis, which is the other island. Okay, this is the June 30, and we just now arrived to the port of to the city on in the island of Hvar. This is the Hvar city. And we are just about anchored here, together with the other sailors here, this group of mariners. That's Mariela there with Stefan. They are rigging out the boat. They are getting the boat ready for to cross. Basically, we are just going to cross to the other side. This is all the boats that they are in the marina now, and we are going to go up to this fortress on the top of the of the mountains. Very, very nice place. Has all the sailors here ready, and we will go around. And tomorrow we are thinking about going to the island of Peace. All right. This is June 30, 2020, and I am in Hvar. This is the highest point in the city of Hvar. Is this amazing fortress, and I'll show you. This is the top of the fortress, going down all the way to the center of the town, the marina. This is the promenade here, And of course you get here the back of the island, and they have this promenade around it. I think that is the meteorological station, but you can see here the entire fortress. It's all over there, and this is the part that comes out, and it has this amazing look. But this is the center of the from here you can see the entire promenade. Basically you can see the entire Hvar all around it. So that's it. What is it? I am yeah, July 26, 2020. This is the I want to take a picture of her that she doesn't know that. Yeah, we are here in the yes, right. In the we are eating now. This is a special dinner. She's so cute. Wow. Okay, Patrick, in his wonderful abilities of culinary taste, he has made this special dinner for us. Bon appetit. What's the name of this?
Stone pot.
Stone pot, which is carrots, potatoes in mashed with onions and sausages. This is the style of Netherlands. Lan, la, la, lan, 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 lan. And then we have there right, that's our delicious salad on that corner over there. And this wonderful afternoon in the beautiful city of Brač in Croatia. And here is our neighbor. He has this beautiful boat. It's a cruiser, Mascot 35 feet, and there is a new boat over there, and we are so happy. And I'll tell you, the anchorage is just amazing, and we are hungry, so give us a break and we are going to eat now. Hasta la vista, babies.